So this is our back porch. We've been watching this bird up here in this nest. It had babies about a week or so ago. And so we've been watching it, hatch and whatnot. Well, I did notice that the past day or two I hadn't really seen the babies' heads popping up, and I've not really seen the mother. So I came out here to check on them, and this is what I found. Looks like a snake has eaten our babies. I don't know how it got up on that ledge either. I guess it either climbed up this wall, or either it climbed up the downspout. But either way, we don't have babies anymore. And he's sitting over here fat and happy with a bunch of lumps in him. Bastard.